Today we're going to look at the Miller-Urey experiment. In the past we've been told that science experiments, specifically one, uh, definitely does support the idea of evolution. So the most popular evolutionary experiment has been the Miller-Urey experiment. Now, during this experiment, a mixture of methane, water vapor, ammonia, and hydrogen, often referred to as the prebiotic soup by many evolutionists, were mixed together and sparks were released into the mixture. Simple amino acids were synthesized as a result, and these amino acids are building blocks for proteins. Evolutionists often speculate that this is the way that the first building blocks of life were formed. But most fail to point out serious flaws with this belief. Number one, there is no indication in the fossil record that this kind of atmosphere ever existed on Earth. In other words, there's no scientific evidence. Number two, that kind of atmosphere would have been fatal to life on Earth because if you looked at the different parts of that so-called prebiotic soup, you'll notice that there was no oxygen present. Now, although this experiment is cited in many textbooks and publications on evolution and is given as proof for evolution, it is just an experiment that has no real connection to life in any way. And by the way, many evolutionists have now admitted this. No experiment up to this point has given any hint that evolution is even possible. Michael Denton, an evolutionist and best-selling author, Evolution, A Theory in Crisis, stated it this way. He said, considering the way the prebiotic soup is referred to in so many discussions of the origin of life as an already established reality, it comes as something of a shock to realize that there is absolutely no positive evidence for its existence.